The olive is a tree commonly found in Mediterranean countries, where it has a long cultivation tradition and symbolic importance. Wild olive trees, called oleaster, are smaller than cultivars. The leaves are silvery grey. The olive tree grows very slowly, but can become several hundred or even 1,000 years old. So how do you care for your olive bonsai? The olive bonsai needs a place with full sun, which also helps to reduce the size of the leaves. It can withstand temperatures slightly below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or around 0 degrees Celsius, but must be protected from stronger frost. It is best to place the olive tree in a cold greenhouse, which is kept frost-free. Water the olive bonsai generously whenever the soil gets dry, but avoid constant wetness. Normal tap water of good quality is just fine for the olive tree. Apply solid organic fertilizer every 4 weeks or use a liquid fertilizer every week during the growing season. Strong pruning, if necessary, should be done in late winter. The olive will respond with vigorous growth in the following spring. It can also bud from old wood. When the new shoots grow too long, cut back to 1 or 2 pairs of leaves. Very healthy specimens can also be defoliated in order to promote a fine ramification. Younger branches and new shoots can be wired at any time. Old branches are stiff and brittle and hard to bend. Guy wires can be a good alternative. Repot in spring before the buds begin to swell, every 2 to 3 years, and remove about 1/3 of the roots. Old trees can be repotted at longer intervals. Use a well-draining soil mix with a slightly alkaline pH value of 7 to 8. The olive can be propagated using seeds or cuttings. Vigorous olive trees are hardly attacked by pests and diseases. If the olive is kept too warm in winter, scale or mealybugs can be found. Then try to provide better conditions and use a specific pesticide. Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.